this is Zelda from TNZ RV Life, and I am waiting in the car, waiting for Michael to come back, getting some laundry soap. We're doing some laundry today, and I just wanted to give you just an update on how I'm doing, and I am this much pounds lighter, and I'm pretty excited about it. I wanted to talk about one thing that I noticed with being on keto that I remembered from before. When I'm not eating as often, I'm so used to throwing something in my mouth and food and just chomping away and not realizing that, what I'm eating for one. But when I'm not eating, I'm very aware of it, and I have like this little bit of nervous energy that just it's just nervous energy that I have. When I feel like I have to crunch on something, I'll get a celery stick because I have some celery, and I just add those onto my calendar for my MyFitnessPal, and I do count all of what I eat, but the spring mix and the celery, those type of things, I don't. I count the spring mix as I'm eating it with my lunch, and if I happen to have an extra celery stick or two, I just document it. I do eat it. I feel it's more important that I eat my vegetables than not. It's funny watching people drive. So, yeah, just the not having something constantly in my mouth, or I would, if I wasn't eating, I'd throw a lollipop in my mouth, or I'd throw a piece of candy or mint in my mouth. It was just something I was always eating, and not eating so frequently is a challenge. So hold on, I got to get Michael in here. Okay, I'm back. Went to McDonald's. I was starting to get I was thirsty, and I wanted more coffee, and I didn't want hot coffee, so I got them to put black iced coffee in here, and then I got 2 of their little containers of creamer, and they're like 1 gram each of carbs, and I put 2 packs of Splenda in here, and that gives me my iced coffee without them adding the sugar. They said, "You don't want any sugar?" I said, "No." I just wanted the coffee. So this is actually getting rid of some of my hunger pains and satisfying satisfying my hunger. I was gonna say something else about this. Yeah, it's a heat wave outside. It's like 30 degrees, but going from teens to 30, it's pretty warm, but this is pretty good. I think I was done telling you about I'm not used to not eating, which is it's a little challenging. It's getting better. I just have to do things to occupy my time. I bought some resistance bands, and I'm going to do a little bit of resistance band exercises. I haven't done much in regards to exercise in a long time, so excuse me, just getting started with that should help. Okay, hold on. I coughed, and he had said, "What'd you say?"
Coronavirus.
No, I'm good. I am very good. So I think that's going to be about it. My weight loss is doing great. I'll show you the couple of meals that I had. My blood sugars are still hanging around 100 fasting, 100, 105 in there, which is much better than it used to be. And I have not had any blood sugars go over 111 since I started keto. And my ketones have remained between 1 and 3. Last night I was 1.3, but this morning I was 2.3, somewhere around there. I'll show you a picture. But anyway, just wanted to come by and say hi. And Tony's at home watching Amaya. And Michael and I are getting ready to tackle this laundry. So I'm going to go in here and make sure it's not just sitting there. Or he's going to go in there and make sure it's not sitting there. Okay, I'll see you in a little while. Take care, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to hit that like button. I'm going to give you a few seconds to hit the like button. Okay. See you on the next video. Bye. Here was Michael's keto meal. Steak and eggs.
Egg?
On a 10-inch plate. And I wanted to talk about these keto granola bars. I eat these at night because I don't want a big meal and it takes away my sweet tooth. Also, there are only 2 net carbs per bar. And if you look on the back, you'll see it's made with allulose. And how you come up with the 2 net carbs, the total carbs is 12. Fiber is 4 grams, allulose is 5 grams, and glycerin is 1. So that's how you end up with a net carb of 2. They taste great, and they're very filling for me, and it gets me through the night. And what is most important, it does not raise up my glucose level. It raises my glucose level minimally. I checked my blood sugar. I was 105, and a half an hour later after eating this, I was 109. So it didn't do anything. And on my ketones, they remained in the 2s. So this is very helpful for me when I don't want to eat anything big at night. And they come in different flavors. The one I have there is the blueberry almond vanilla. Maple pecan. They have a peanut butter that I really love. So check them out. Okay, the blueberry almond vanilla bar is 3 net carbs. The one I was reading from on my packet was the maple pecan, which is 2 net carbs. But close enough. They don't affect your blood sugars very much, and it keeps you in ketosis.